In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on your Telegram account. So if for one reason or another you want to change the contact or the phone number you have been using or you used to create your Telegram account, then let me show you how you can change it to a new number that you are going to use. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to log into your Telegram account, and as you can see, I'm on my account here. Then you need to tap on your menu icon, and the menu icon is here to expose your profile. As you can see, I have my phone number here, my Telegram phone number here. To change it, just go to settings, and then you see your account with your phone number displayed. If you read under it, you are told tap to change phone number. So if you go ahead and tap on this, confirm if you want to change the number. Now you are told that if you change your number, your account and all your cloud data, messages, media, contacts, etc. will be moved to the new number. So confirm by tapping on change number, and then you are told that users will see your new numbers if they have it in their phone book, and if that's not the case, then your privacy settings will allow them to see it. So you can modify these in settings, privacy, security, and then phone number. So go ahead and tap on change. So go ahead and proceed with the new number, enter the confirmation code that you'll receive to finalize the setup, and that will be it. Your account profile will be under a new number. Now the good thing is you will not lose anything. All your contacts, your conversations will be intact. So that's how you change your contact or your phone number on Telegram. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.